Let me tell you uh, how to feed the data from the sensors which is connected the breadboard. That is nothing but I have connected the light sensors as well as DHT11 humidity and temperature sensors, and the data is getting captured from the node MCU, and from there it is directly feeding data to the AWS instance. And AWS instance, actually it is I have created here. So currently the one instance is running. If you go to the dashboard, I actually created two instances, and out of which currently the second one is running now, and it is using the IP address 13.232, so 293.126.116. And if I go and check the info rules of that one, okay, let me go to the security groups, and this is the second one actually. That's already been selected, and these are all the details actually I have. So next is, if I select the inbound rules, so there are four inbound rules is been defined, and 1883 is for Mosca server, and 10,000 is for Telegraf, and 1880 is for the Node-RED, and 22 is for the SSH connection. Now we'll come back to EC2 dashboard. Click on the instances running, and if I click and go to the connect, so I have to, okay, sorry that the link is connected. Let me connect it. I have to log in like this. Okay. Go to the EC2 instances. This is the one. The state is currently saying that it's in the running state, and 233 up to 6. Okay. Now, must be the guest username is correct. We already. Okay, I should click on the SSH client. I'm sorry. And here we will get to know that what's the instance ID and how actually we can connect it. So this is the security key I actually have downloaded when I was creating the EC2 instance, and I have to copy this one to connect it to this particular server from any Linux PCs. So I'm using the Raspberry Pi to connect. So I have kept it here, the security key. So I just connect it here. Sorry, I have to copy this. Okay, so already most of the Mocha servers are already running now. see that these are all the this is a command to see the Docker processes. So this is a chronograph and telegraph, so influx TP and Mosca and then noted. Okay. And the corresponding ports are also being defined over here. Now next I will show you actually how the code. So it's the Arduino board and it is written in .ino. So Arduino.h and Wi-Fi and USB double six and then PHP 84 is being configured and DST 11 library is also used to decode the temperature and humidity results from the PHP 11 and then this is actually the IP address of the MQTT 13.233.146.116. Now we have a Wi-Fi client and also WhatsApp client because we have to do a publication with 5 methods using MQTT. And in the setup actually we are in the beginning we are initializing the VST pins, that's a library, and then this is 5200 for visualizing the debug logs in the serial monitor, and then this is for initially just fetching out the data while connecting it, and then this is the Wi-Fi access ID and password, and then this is for connecting the data to the IP server, and the port I'm using here is 1883. And then this is I'm calling the callback function MQTT callback, where actually I am displaying it and what are all the things, what is the topic and what is the payload I have received and what is the length of it, what is the length of it. Now next part is actually the before going to the publish EC2. Let me come here. Show you what is there in the loop function. You will see whether Wi-Fi is connected or not. The sensors are connected or not. Now, if it is connected, then we will read it from the GT from the DST temperature from the DST, and if it is not a number, then we will throw it error. Else we will print it in the serial monitor, and then we are passing this is the Android. This is the LDR sensor data, and we are calling to the publish EC2. So if you go to the publish EC2 function, so we are getting this ID, and we are using the ID number as a 3 just to show it in the node and chronograph, and this is light, temperature and humidity, and yeah, this is so we will check whether client is connected or not. If that connected, then we will just publishing the data. And this is a reconnector function. If there is any problems with the Wi-Fi, then we are just using this function, and 90 we can give it a randomly, and then we will just publish the data over here also. So this is about it, and it's already been compiled. I will show you how actually it is getting displayed. Yeah. So yeah, whenever it's lost, just try to. So this is all the data. This is the light, the temperature, and this is the humidity. So there's a 15-second delay, and every 15 seconds we're getting updated there. Now let's switch it back to one by one now. So if you want to see the chronograph details, you can see it's highlighted there. It's IP address 13.233.146.116, and the port is 10,000, and this is for a node. The port is 1880. We can configure it. Already I have made the initial configuration. Maybe I will tell you, and you can. I have created it, so you have to click over here, and then you should select the my DPI version, and then log, and in the ID is actually a 3, and which ones you need it. Suppose if you select the field, so the query would come like this actually, and then you have to provide the names over here, and if you click on the OK button, then it will create the uh, plot like this, table like this. So I have created a light, humidity and temperature tables, and you can see there is But yeah, 685.29, there is sudden dip in the temperature and then coming back. It's like this. So currently the time is actually 6:59. It's not updated now. I will just flush the data. Just refresh the page. You can see that the latest one. Yeah, this is more or less similar, and the current temperature is actually 29 now, and the time is 6:59. Okay. It's up to date, and these are some variants in the lights. This is about the humidity. Now next is so this is about the chronograph, and how I have how we move to the node, right? How actually I have been configured over here. So very first thing is this is MQTT. It's actually coming. The data is coming from the MQTT. That's nothing but a sensor. And how actually I have configured here is this is a name actually I have given it here. Mosca is to 183. You can give any other name. That's not an issue. And I just go to the settings. We just have to give the Mosca server because we are defined here as Mosca. Okay, this is a Mosca server actually. This is actually a Mosca server actually. You can see here. So, and now next is there is no other things to be added here. There's nothing. You just have to leave it as it is. Since I have been already deployed, you have to click on the done and then click on the deploy here. And output I connect to the debug message, so you have to select it from here. So this is a debug message. And then next is you can see here all these data is being currently updating, and this is the current date and with the time actually. So and next is this is a function actually. The function you have to select it from this one, and I have named it like a room light switch. So if you go to the this particular function, and you have to write the small JavaScript. What I done is here, if the light is less than 250, just display as a room light as on, else just display it as off, that is greater than 250. You can see over here, most of the time is light on. Maybe somewhere I try to recall the light of all. Maybe I will just switch on the torch on the just see is it possible to see it out of, yeah, now the value is 304 and this is displayed as a light off. So this is the simple function, and we can also route it to the Mosca as well. So how we can actually automate it is in the cloud. So this is actually a MQTT out because it's actually getting the data from here and then forward it to the Mosca server. And again, this is also same as like the Mosca in. So the same settings, no other change, only the topic name I have defined over there. So the room light I have the topic name I defined as room light. So now I will go to the MQTT lens, and here you can see here you have to uh, you can give any name here. So that proctor and this IP is you have to give, and apart from that nothing else. So it's already the green means it's already in the like the connected state. Okay, and there are one is sensor. This is actually I will directly getting it from the sensor. Okay, and another one is the room light. So you can see that is room light on, room light off. So this is the data. So this is about how actually you can route the data from the sensor to the cloud, and from the cloud using the Mosca server and FlexDB and chronograph, you can, the chronograph is actually for visualizing the data. Actually speaking, still I can update this page now, and you can see the different data over here now. The very latest data, 7.4. The time is 7.4. Okay, the last one is recently updated with 304. Okay, 3004. You can see over here actually, and the temperature is most of the time it's constant of, because currently I kept it in my room, so it is almost the same. There is no much variation over here. Okay, this is about it. And now next is uh, yeah, this is how we can control, and this is how we can automate it, and we can use the cloud for visualizing the data, and we can use the node for automatic control it. The same way I can use the temperature parameter, and then maybe I can write a code so that I can directly route it to the AC or something else. If the temperature is beyond certain limit, then switch on the AC. Like that I can do. If the room light is falling beyond certain intensity, then switch on the light for that room, or maybe a hall or living hall or whatever. If the humidity is, I can use like that. Maybe we can configure it to different kind of sensors, and then maybe we can automate the most of the other things, and we can make it like a smart. So this is about it, and thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.